Tonight, wala hong kailangang mamatay at wala rin hong kailangang masunugan ng bahay. Wala hong mambabarang at wala rin hong tikbalang. Dahil kung ano hong lumabas sa aming mga bibig at sasambitin ho ng aming mga labi, ay gagayahin ho ng mga kabataan. Makauwi sila sa kanilang tahanan. Dahil iba't ibang ngiti at iba't ibang ganda. Ngunit isa lang ho ang patuloy na hangad ho naming mga bakla. Ito ho ay ang pagtanggap at pagrespeto na magmumula pa po sa lalawigan ng Binondo for the last time. Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyangan dyan? Yung mas malakas pa! Yung pinakamalakas! And I finally caught your attention. Ladies and gentlemen, I've always believed that wearing a national costume is know how big, how glamorous, how extravagant the costume is how we give life, justice, and prosthetic with the costumes that you're wearing for tonight. Because I've always believed that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly remarkable. My name is Miss Julia Garcia Masumsong. I am a 23 years of age tenor, hailing all the way from the Sport Sorteo Festival of the Philippines. I am all the way last from Carmona, province of Cavite. I am not your Super Serena, your Miss International Queen Philippines, but I am very humble to share that I am your newly crowned Reina ng Turismo Cavite 2024. And I am your Miss Trans Global Philippines 2025. And this is the battling of screen name. Hayaan niyo pong gayahin ko po ang babaeng kalalabas lang po sa bahay ni Kuya. The new Eat Showtime host na nagsabing ang gusto niya sa isang lalaki ay TBH. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan iyawan si Binibining Shubi Entrata. Miss Shubi Entrata po na kailanman ay hindi po mag-iiwan ng bastos o nakakatawang kataga. Ngunit isa lamang pong pasasalamat sa all the organizer and to all the people of Binondo. Because pinagbigyan niyo ho kami upang masaksihan kung gaano kaganda ang inyong nasasakupan. Once again, this is candidate number 9. Let the beauty brain begins. Thank you so much.
That is Shuvi, kapatid ni Michael V. Kaya maganda. Actually, kawangis siya talaga, no?
Totoo naman.
Shuvi Entrata from PBB. Maganda, maganda. Ang dami ng endorsement ni Shuvi Entrata ngayon. And this time, it bears candidate number 9. Showgirl, bakit? Diba? Candidate number 10.
The Showgirl.
Pero maputi ang kilikilid eh.
To become what you are and to be capable of your becoming is the secret of happy life. For every living soul has its own talent. Perseverance and do it, so never be afraid. A glorious evening to each and everyone. Good evening, Binondo! Standing here in front of you is a 25 years of age who hails from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Miss Universe Philippines. Oo, ako nga po, ang nag-iisang anak at CEO ng China Bank.
Ay?
Oo, ako nga po, ang nag-iisa at walang kupas. Sabay-sabay na pong palakpakan, hiyawan, sigawan, ang nag-iisang Michelle Marquez D.
Yung conviction.
Michelle Marquez D na nagsasabi, ngayong gabi, ating baguhin ang pananaw ng mga tao. Puro tatuman ako sa inyong harapan, huwag niyo akong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpalak, may bansot na tatatak.
Ay?
Loko.
Okay na ba yun, Michelle Marquez D?
Matitigaw ka!
Anak ng CEO ng ang away. Pero may isa pa siyang kamukha.
Sino?
Dating artista, nasa Amerika na.
Sino yun?
Nagsisplit.
Sino?
Pero maganda rin yun. Talented. Ayokong banggitin kasi baka mabash tayo. Pero Michelle ngayon kasi very
Barangay Binondo, she is candidate number 11.
Hello, Daddy Anggol.
Shoutout nga muna kay Daddy Anggol. Ay, Daddy.
May papabanan daw si Bon, Daddy. In fairness, mukhang ano, no, Latina na may
Oo.
pagka-Pilipino.
Pilipino yung tsura. Ikaw din naman, Pilipino yung...
Naghahanap na ako ng ganyan sapatos, wala akong makita.
Huwag na,
Oo,
hayaan mo
kasi
na.
sa office, para bongga.
Para magtitinda ka lang naman ng burger sa ano eh, di ba?
Pagpapasok ka, TL, na late kasi ako eh. Tapakan mo nung pag-inaway ka ng team. Alright, that's candidate number 11. Madam people, pala pa ka naman natin. Ang ganda ng mukha. Gusto ko yung mukha.
Oo.
Parang anggol din yung mukha.
Parang Daddy Anggol.
Good evening, people of Binondo, and to the ever-radiant rainbow community. Tonight is not just a celebration of beauty, but it is a celebration of courage, identity, and spirit that unites us all. Serving you trans excellency from a pure-blooded Tamarao. This is Nicole Ayala Gokongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila.
Ay, Tondo.
The girl standing in front of you is a proud fourth-year college student who is currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. Since tonight, this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only Latina Slayer, your Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Teresita Winwin Marquez. I am your one of the Queen Bekshis ng Maynila 2025. And judges, I may not be the most famous candidate here tonight, but I just wanted to remind you that I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to blaze trails. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.
Maganda yun. I did not come here to blend in.
Yes.
I came here to... Daddy, di natatandaan. Bubo to.
Bobo. Daddy, I miss you so much.
Tsaka nagyoyosi na yung ano ngayon, no? Yung Angel. Angel siya pero pala yosi sa taas.
Diba? Tsaka papasok ka ng office, ganyan yung sapatos mo, no?
Tsaka yung lolo ko nga, matanda na, umihiram ng ano, tungko, yung hawakan.
Ayan na yun.
Ganyan yung nahanap ko na nadulas siya.
Grabe si candidate number 11.
walang nagpapalakpakan. Marami pong salamat. Beauty is not on how tantalizing your eyes are, how red your cheeks are, and how kissable your lips are. Because the real beauty is beauty inside, which never fades and never goes. Hi, hello, and mabuhay! This is Erich Pastijo from the home of the Beauty Queen Amazing Show. And I am one of those true sent to represent my municipality of Reyna ng Turismo, General Trias City, Province of Cavite. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang crush ng bayan, pinagkakaguluhan ng mga kalalakihan. Innocent sa paningin pero hayop ang dating. Opo, ang nag-iisang Miss Erich Gonzalez. Miss Erich Gonzalez na nagsasabi, if you have it, show it. Nang mamatay sila sa inggit. And I always believe, if you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, this is my costume from the home of the Bacolod City Mascara Festival. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat from the Mascara Festival, candidate number 8, Miss Erich Gonzalez. And now, I think we're ready to talk.
Shoutout pala natin si Pinky Munter.
Asan si Pinky? Si Pinky pa-fresh araw-araw.
Go Ate Sole. Wait lang guys, patong na natin.
In a world full of babaihan, be the baklang palaban. I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that symbolizes courage, nobility, and royalty from the Mindanao tribe. The Mindanaoan princess costume from Lanao del Norte. My name is Engineer Janelle Siege Garcia. 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, Lalawigan ng Bulacan. I'm a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a certified software engineer by profession. Or isa po sa mga sertipikadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight this is a beauty pageant, allow me to introduce myself further. Opo, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pintutay. Sumagot sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan. At nagpakita po ng angking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I'm one of your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalists. But since tonight I was asked to undergo with one specific personality, allow me to borrow the sexiest vixen of this generation, the one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy recalled Encantadia, your one and only Miss Selene Yusuf. Selene Yusuf saying, batid ko po ang ating mga hurado mula kanan hanggang kaliwa ay sadyang mga intelihente at mga edukado. Kaya't ba't hindi pa po natin ibigay ang 100% sa baklang mayangking ganda at talino dahil lagi po nating pagkakatandaan na hindi po batayan ang panlabas na kaanyuan at hubog ng katawan upang ikaw ay hirangin na reyna. Sapagkat pag ang puso, utak at bibig na po ang nagsama-sama, tsak, may iba po ang binatawag ninyong ganda. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 12, Miss Solen Yusuf.
O mga bata, umalis kayo dyan.
Ako, tatagain kayo niyan!
Engineer pala siya by profession. Software engineer. Mataas sahod yan, te.
Totoo. Tsaka pag sinabi mo engineer talaga siya, yun yung mga matatalino sa mga mathematics.
Matatalino sa math. And of course, in software to, connected siya sa computers, mga ganon. Very advanced. Alright, thank you so much.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? Thank you very, very much. Well, celebrating beauty and diversity, this program, Beyond This Five Prettiest, aims to promote the beauty and richness of our diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, standing in front of you is a 28-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful sirenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Banyes Pakulan. I am your Queen of Quezon City 2018 and your Miss International Queen Philippines NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, talking about national, cultural, or creative costume. These elegant ensemble represent the timeless beauty and grace of Filipino fashion. I am wearing a modern Filipiniana, and it has a connection to the divine feminine, compassionate, loving, selfless. Again, ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, I am your candidate number 13. Mark my number, because tonight I will give you the best show and a night that you will never, ever forget. Good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13.
passion before love and devotion. It is a good occupation for the young generation. This pageant celebrating beauty and diversity. Hi, hello, mabuhay, people of Binondo. My name is Miss Ilyana Marshall, 24, from the home of the beauty queen, Tondo, Manila. At ako po ang dating may hawak ng brilyante ng lupa. Bakit hindi niyo po ako sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Sanya Lopez? Sanya Lopez na nagsasabing ang hindi marunong lumingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan ay tiyak na tulala sa aking kagandahan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 14, Miss Sanya Lopez.
I don't mind traveling 4 hours just to see the beautiful people of Binondo. Kaya naman, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang masigabong sigawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Beauty is not always about having a pretty face. It's all about having a pretty mind, having a pretty heart, and having a pretty soul. Standing before you is a 24 years old stunner, all the way from Guevara, La Paz, Tarlac, a graduate of Tourism Hotel and Restaurant Operations in Subic Colleges Incorporated, a proud and humble cum laude graduate. Totoo po yun. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. This is Billy Labitan Yadaw in real life, the first representative of province of Tarlac on It's Showtime's Miss Q&A, and a lucky girl who was able to cross over from ABS-CBN going to GMA, as I was able to represent the province of Tarlac to one of the most prestigious competitions in the national television, which is on Super Serena on Eat Bulaga. And just very recently, I am proud to share that I was crowned as your Miss Mandirigma Philippines Tourism 2025. Totoo din po yun. Available sa YouTube. But since this is a battle of screen names, allow me to carry the image of the young, the fresh, and the gorgeous. Ang babaeng minsan yung minahal bilang si Pinang, ang babaeng minsan yung minahal dahil sa kanyang 3 bibe. Yes, ako nga po ang nag-iisa. Ba't di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at sigawan si Miss Erich Gonzalez. Erich Gonzalez na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang, aanhin ko ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Wala si kapitan. Pwedeng kagawad na lang. Ay, babae din. Wag na lang. Thank you. Akin na to. Bye. See you later.
Yes, thank you so much. Our last candidate for tonight, Miss Erich Gonzalez, all the way from Tarlac. Layo.